Hello kids. Oh, let's have a look. What's this? This is a tow truck. It is very strong. It can pull other vehicles. Oh, what's happened? Look at this mess. Come, let's combine all these parts to complete our vehicle. Oh, it's wrong. This part? No, it's wrong. Now I think we are going to use this. Yes. Now we need to set next part. No. No. How we can? Which part will be next? You guys tell me. I am a little bit confused. I think this one. Yeah, I'm right. This. Oh no. Now I think tires. Oh, wheels. Next part, wheels. Now see. I think now we are going to put steering. Oh no. Seats. Yes, seats. Now we going to add the steering. Yeah. Finally we set many parts. Oh no. Now what next? Oh, this frame. Okay, almost complete. Next part will be this bumper. Oh no. Can you see any vehicle which need our help? If you see something like this, let me know, guys. Is this? Oh yeah, there is a vehicle which need our help. Let's go, guys. Help it. Let's go. Mission completed. Let's go again for a drive. Let's check there's any other vehicle there which need our help. No, there's no anyone. Oh no, there's a vehicle. Let's help it out. Let's go. We completed our mission. Oh, have a look. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, there is also some work to done. Let's go, roll it out. And it's done. Dun. Let's go. Thank you. Mission completed. Let's go for some more work. Excellent, guys.